Good morning. Welcome back to the class. Let us continue the questions. In the last class we have seen some written questions. Let us continue that. The question is determinant of x plus y plus 2z x y z y plus z plus 2x y z x z plus x plus 2 equals to 2 bracket starts x plus y plus z whole cube. Okay. So that is the question. So here is the question. This is LHS, that is LHS. So we need LHS, not necessary to write once again. So this is our LHS. Which operation we have to do? Which operation we have to do? Observe carefully. Observe carefully. If you observe carefully, column C. Which operation we have to do? When I ask that question, in your mind something will come. I will write something here. If that something, this something is same, no need to feel so happy. If that something, this something is totally different, no need to feel depression. Why? Because we are in learning stage. We are in learning stage. Remember this one, point to be remembered. We are in learning stage still. Till the completion of exercise, we are in learning stage. After completion of exercise, we reach some stage. Then you have to guess which operation we have to do. Okay, I already told you. So here, which operation we have to do means column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. This one plus this one plus this one. Column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. This is first column. Second column, third column. This one plus this one plus this one. This one plus this one plus this one. X plus y plus 2z. X plus y plus 2z plus x plus y. X plus x 2x. Y plus y 2y 2z. 2 common x plus y plus z. In the RHS x plus y plus z is there. We want it. That's why we have to go with C1 plus C2 plus C3. We have to go with C1 plus C2 plus C3. Right? C1 we are changing C1. C1 plus C2 plus C3. First column we are changing. Nothing happened to second column. Nothing happened to second column. Nothing happened to second column. Right? So first column x plus y plus 2z z. Second column x y plus z plus 2x x. Third column y z plus x plus 2. Adding all these things. This one plus this one plus this one. Here we do. So it becomes 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Same like that. Add these three. Z plus y plus z plus 2x plus y. Right? 2x y plus y 2y z plus z 2z. So 2x plus 2y plus 2x plus 2y plus 2. This also same like that you will 2x plus 2y plus 2z only will come 2 common x plus y plus z every way. So here 2 common x plus y plus z, 2 common x plus y plus z, 2 common x plus y plus z. So we can take 2 into x plus y plus z common. This complete part we can send out. So 3 ones will come. Once if 3 ones we get, the problem becomes very easy. Right? Equals to 2 into x plus y plus z. 2 into x plus y plus z into 3 ones. So 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. R2 we are changing like R2 minus R. R3 we have to change like R3 minus R. Okay? So R2 we are changing. R2 we are changing. R2 we are changing like R2 minus R. What is R2? Second row 1 y plus z plus 2x y. R1 or 1xy. 1x. Subtraction. Subtraction means signs get changed. 1 minus 1 0. Y plus z. Y plus z. 2x minus x. X. Okay now. Y minus y. See? Right? So second row becomes like that. First row nothing happened. Nothing happened to first row. Keep as it is. Second row became like this. Right? Third. What is R3? 1x z plus x plus 2y. Right? Z plus x plus 2y. R1. R3 minus R1. What is R1? 1xy. 1x. Subtraction. 0, 0. X. 2y minus y. Y plus z. 0, 0 x plus y plus z. 0, 0 x plus y plus z. Answer over. Answer over y. Y. We got 3 zeros in the shape of L. I already told you. In the shape of L means only here. In the shape of 7 means only here. Sir, shape of 7, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. No. Shape of L here, sir. Here 0, here 0, here 0. No. Shape of L at this corner, shape of 7 at this corner. Actually, that is one definition is there, but JEE level it will come. Need CET level it will come. JEE level it comes. This is, if you find 3 zeros here, this is called upper triangular matrix. If you write like this, 3 zeros if you find, it is called upper triangular matrix. 3 zeros if you find at these places, it is called lower triangular matrix. Okay? Lower triangular matrix. Okay now? 3 zeros are in the shape of L here. So equals to 2 into x plus y plus z into, just multiply the principal diagonal elements. 1 into x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z. So 2 into x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z becomes x plus y plus z whole cube. That is the RHS, right? That is the RHS. Okay. Now let us see next question. So our main concentration should be on RHS, and in some questions our target should be to get the 3 ones. See, in maximum questions we got 3 ones. Upper triangular matrix. Okay. Transpose of this one 2, 3, 4, 0, 6, 7, 0, 0, 8. In the shape of 7, 3 zeros are there. Lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. This should be there in matrix chapter, but as per NCERT textbook it is not given. CET level, JEE level. Better to know, okay. So whenever you find either upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix, if you want to find out the determinant for this or for this, then just you have to multiply the principal diagonal elements. Just you have to multiply the principal diagonal elements. Okay. Next, let us see next question. One x square, 1x square, x square 1x, x square 1, right? Equal to 1 minus x cube whole square. 1 minus x cube whole square. It is a bit RHS we have to simplify. Otherwise, why I am doing first operation, it is very difficult to understand. First operation, what I am going to do? I am going to add column 1, column 2, column 3. Otherwise, row 1, row 2, row 3. Both are correct. But why I am doing, it is difficult to understand. When we can understand means if you simplify this one. If you simplify this in rough. 1 minus x cube whole square. It can be written as 1 cube minus x cube whole square. This whole square keep as it is. This is in the form of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube formula a minus b. A cube minus b cube formula starts with a minus b into a plus b whole square formula. A square 1 square plus 2ab plus 2ab plus b square. This is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula. What is the trick? A plus b whole square formula. 2 should be removed without 2. Okay na? Then okay na? So I am going to write it as like this: 1 minus x whole square, 1 plus x square whole square. So once if we get this one, next step, equal to RHS. So directly you won't get this one, you will get this one. Once if we get this one, we can write like this, we can write like this, we can write like this, we can write like this. Right? So our target is not this one, this one. Both are same only. Both are same. Right? Our target is that. If you add all 3 rows, first row, second row, third row, if you add first row, second row, third row, if you add 1 plus x square plus x 1 plus x square plus x. 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 1 plus x square, if you add this, it is there. Right? In the RHS it is there. This is our RHS. Remember, temporarily this is our RHS. Once if we get this one, we will get that one. Right? So consider that this is our RHS. 1 plus x square, how to get? You can add 3 rows. Otherwise 3 columns also you can add. 3 columns also you can add. Equals to. So R1 I am changing like R1 plus R2 plus R3. What is R1? What is R1? 1x square. What is R2? X square 1x. What is R3? X square. Add all these 3. 1 plus x square plus x. 1 plus x square plus x. Add all these 3. 1 plus x square plus x or x plus x square. What is there? Add all these 3. 1 plus x square. Right? So, R1 we are changing. Nothing happened to R2. Nothing happened to R3. R1 we have changed. How we have changed? Like this. What we got? 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. Equals to. We can take 1 plus x square common. 3 ones we get. Okay now. Okay. How to prepare this exercise? How to prepare this exercise? See the first question. After completion of the exercise, see the first question. See the, you just imagine the operation. Then see the notebook. Which operation is there in the notebook? If both are same, then okay. Go to next step. See the next step. For example, this is the operation. You thought in the notebook also this operation is there. You know how to do this simplification. Then don't go to see this one. Directly come to see this step. Once this step, this is the step. Next step, what to do? Okay, 1 plus x square common. Okay, 3 ones we got. What is the operation? 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. C2 minus C1, C3 minus C1. Right, answer over. Next question. This is the way of doing practice. To the students, those who know this calculation easily. Sir, R2 minus R1, yes. R2 minus R2, this is R2, R1, this is R1, simplification, yes. Sir, 2C2 minus 3C3, yes. If you are very comfortable with this type of operations, if you are able to solve very easily, very fast, then see only this one, which operation we have to do. First of all, you should get good command in doing this one. How to do, you will get later. So preparation means what you have to do. Open the textbook. After completion of exercise, open the textbook. See the question. Just think which operation suits for this question. Then see the note. See whether this operation and whatever the operation came in your mind, both are same or not. If both are same, continue. Okay? Next step. See the notebook only. One next step, what is there? Don't see this one. See this one. 1 plus x square common. Yeah, correct. Next. Okay, 3 ones are there. Afterwards, we can solve the problem. Leave it. Go to next question. First step. What is the first step? See the question. See the question. What is the first step? Here C2 minus C1 and here. Okay, this is the operation. See the notebook. Same operation is there. It is not there. You try with your operation. With a lot of patience, you have to. 4 marks fixed question from this exercise. 4 marks fixed from this exercise. Okay? Only patience you should have. Patience and observation. equals to 1 plus x square. Three ones are three. C2 minus C1. And one more. C2 minus C1. C3. C3 minus C1. C3 minus C. Right? Second column. What is second column? What is second column? 1 x square. We are changing second column and third column. Nothing happened to first column. Keep first column as it is. Second column 1 x square. First column 1 x square x. Subtraction 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus x square. X square minus x. Simplify here only. 1 minus x square. 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Take minus x common. 1 minus x. Sir, why to take minus x common? 1 minus x is here. Here also 1 minus x is there. In our temporary RHS also 1 minus x is there. That's why. Whether this is correct or not, minus x into 1 minus x, yeah, correct. Minus into minus plus. X into x square, correct. So C2 we are changing like this. C2, second column we have to write like this. Second column 0, 1 minus x into 1 plus x, minus x into 1 minus x. Okay now? Next, C3 minus C. What is C3? 1 x, 1 x. Okay, 1 x. What C3 minus C? 1 x square x. 1 minus 1 0. X minus x is x minus x is 0. Right? So what is third column? C3 minus C. 1 x square. Third column is 1 x. Okay now? 1 x. 1 plus x square went out. Here the problem is place. 1 plus x square went out. 1 is left. X, this is 1. So third column is 1x1. 1x1. Right up. Now let us see. Subtraction. Third column 1x1. Okay now 1x1, right. 1 minus 1 0. X minus x square. 1 minus x. Right. 1 minus x. 0. Minus x common. Minus x common, then what it becomes? X common means 1 minus x. X only common. 1 minus x. This 1 minus x keep as it is. Right? I think I am not wrong. X square 1x, x square 1. Yes, adding, so it went out. So x square 1x, x square 1. Yeah, correct. These three are 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus x square minus x square minus x, correct. 1 minus 1 0, x minus x square, 1 minus x, correct. So third column becomes like this. 0, x into 1 minus x, 1 minus x. Okay now? Equals to 1 plus x square. Right? Expansion of determinant. Before going to expand the determinant, we can take something common. What is the something? Observe carefully. 1 minus x is here. 1 minus x is here. 0 can be written as 0 into 1 minus x. 0 into 1 minus x is 0. So 1 minus x, 1 minus x, 1 minus x, 1 minus x went out. First column as it is. 1 minus x went out, 0 will be. 1 minus x went out, 1 plus x. 1 minus x went out, minus x. From third column also 1 minus x is. We can take out 1 minus x, 1 minus x. 0 can be written as 0 into 1 minus x. 1 minus x went out. 0 will be there. 1 minus x went out, x. 1 minus x went out, 1. Okay? Equals to 1 plus x square into 1 minus x into 1 minus x. 1 minus x whole square. Expand the determinant by using first row. What is first row? 1 0 0. 1 0 1 into 1 into what is determinant? 1 plus x minus x 1 minus 0 plus 0. Not necessary to write. Okay, now equals to 1 minus x whole square 1 plus x square. 1 minus x whole square 1 plus x square. We need square here. It will come down into expand this one. 1 plus x into 1 plus x minus x into minus x. X into minus x. That's it. Answer we got. Almost we are there. 1 plus x minus x into minus x plus x square equal to 1 minus x whole square 1 minus x whole square 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square 1 plus x square whole square. Next step this one. Next step this one. Next step this one equal to RHS. That's it. So this one can be written as, I will write otherwise. Few students may be in confusion. How to write the steps in reverse. So I only will do. This is like a square into b square. A square b square ab whole square. A b whole square equal whole square keep as it is. 1 minus x into 1 plus x square 1 minus x into 1 plus x square is the formula for 1 minus x cube. That's it. That is the answer. So 1 minus x cube whole square is our answer. Okay. Okay. This is the question. Right? Next question. Next question. 1 plus a square minus b square 2ab minus 2ab 1 minus a square plus b square 2a 2b minus a square minus b square. One plus a square minus b square 2ab minus 2b. 2ab 1 minus a square plus b square 2a. It's a very different question. For this question actually we have to do this operation. Very different question in the complete exercise. In the complete exercise, this question. In the complete exercise, this question and one more question is there. You have to remember the operation. This is R3. This is R3. Remember the operation. B R3. B into 2B 2B square. 2B square minus B square plus B square is that. A R3. A 2A square. A R3. 2AB R2 0, right. So in the complete exercise, 2 to 3 questions are there. In exercise, 2 questions are there. In example questions, 1 or 2 questions are there. Totally 4 questions are there. For these 3-4 questions, you have to remember the operation. If you get extreme command in this chapter, in this exercise, then only you can understand this. Particularly for this question, remember this operation. Sir, if we don't do this operation, what will happen? Nothing will happen. You will get the answer, but it takes more number of steps, more steps. If you take this operation, we get the answer easily. Okay? The question once again you see. So remember this operation. Okay. So here LHS R1 we are changing like R1 plus BR3. R2 we are changing like R2 minus AR3. First row, second row we are changing. Third row will be as it is. After this we will write third row. What is first row? First row. 1 plus A square minus B square. First row. R3, B, R3 again. First of all R3. First of all R3 again. Third row 2B. 2B minus 2A. 1 minus A square minus B square. We want to B R3. Multiply this complete part with B. B into 2B, 2B square. B into minus 2A, minus 2AB. B into 1, B. B into A square B. B into B square, B cube. Okay now? Right. What we have to do? We have to add 1 plus A square plus B square. 1 plus A square plus B square. Okay? 2AB minus 2AB 0. Right. Minus 2B plus B minus B minus A square B minus B cube. 1 plus A square plus B square 0 minus B common. Minus B common 1 plus A square plus B square. Okay now? Right. Where to write? First row. Where to write? First row. 1 plus A square plus B square 0 minus B common 1 plus A square plus B square. Next second row we are changing like second row minus AR3. Second row. What is second row? 2AB. 1 minus A square plus B square 2A. Next R3. R3 2B minus 2A. 1 minus a square minus b square. With a we have to multiply. Third row with a we have to multiply. Multiply with a. 2b into a. 2ba or 2ab. Both are same. Minus 2a into a minus 2a square. A into the complete part. A into 1 a minus a into a square a cube minus a into b square a b square. Okay, now subtraction. Subtraction. Signs get changed if you subtract. 2ab minus 2ab 0 1 2a square minus a square plus b square 2a minus a plus a cube plus ab square. What is common? What is common? A common. 1 plus a square plus b square. Okay, now 1 plus a square plus b square. That is our second row. 0 1 plus a square plus b square 1 plus a square plus b square into a. R1 we have changed, R2 we have changed, R3 we should not change, we did not change. Keep R3 as it is. Equals to 1 plus a square plus b square common. 1 plus a square plus b square went out 0. 0 के अंदर इतना 0 into 1 plus a square plus b square 0. Sorry, 1 plus a square plus b square went out 1. 0 के अंदर इतना 0 into 1 plus a square plus b square 1 plus a square plus b square went out 6. 1 plus a square plus b square went out minus b. Okay, now from second row also we can take 1 plus a square plus b square common. 0. This complete part went out 1. This complete part went out 8. So third row keep as it is. Now expansion becomes easy. Right? These two. Product of those two becomes square. Expand determinant by using first row. First row. 1 0 minus b. 1 0 minus b. 1 into some determinant. 1 into first column, first row remove. 1a minus 2a. Minus 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Okay. Next 0 into y to right, 0 into minus 0 into y to right. Not necessary. Next minus b into, where is b here? Where it is? It is in first row. First row, last column. Remaining part is 0 1 2 b 0 1 2 b 0 1 2 b minus 2. Okay, equals to 1 plus a square plus b square whole square. Expand 1 minus a square minus b square minus a into this one into this one, immediately minus this one into this one, a into minus 2 minus b into minus b into 0 into this one, 0 minus 1 into 2, 2. 1 minus a square minus b square plus 2a square minus a into minus 2a plus 2a square minus b into minus 2b plus 2b square. Minus a square plus 2a square plus a square minus b square plus 2b square plus b square. Finally it becomes 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube, which is our RHS. Which is our RHS, right? Next question. Next question is very beautiful. So here you have to remember this approach. I don't mean that then only you get the answer. You can do your own operation which the properties support. But you don't get the answer so soon. I felt this is the shortest one. Right? So let us see next question. So still how many questions are there? This is the last question in exercise. This is the last question in exercise. Example questions, let us see in the next class. I will tell you. Example questions, which questions are necessary, which are not necessary. I will tell you. Few questions you only can prepare because after listening these many questions you have some idea. So still we did not get any idea. No problem. You see that question you will get. Right, next question. A square plus 1, AB, AC, AB, B square plus 1, BC, AC, BC, C square plus 1 equals to 1 plus A square plus 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, no? Right. That's right. Here is the question. This question also a bit different, bit different. Not like last question. Last question operation was a bit difficult to remember. I am telling you, a bit difficult to remember. Right? Coming to this question, if you see first row we can take A common. Second row we can take B common. Third row we can take B common. Why to do like that, sir? First column also A common, second column B common, third column C common. Yeah, correct. You can do any one you have to do. Any one. From rows or columns, any one. Okay? Either from rows or from columns you can take A, B, C common. So I am taking from rows. Taking A, comma B and C common from R1, R2 and R3. Okay? So A common from first row. A common from first row. A into A square, correct? A into 1 by A means 1. So if you take A common from A square plus 1, A square plus 1, A common, it becomes A plus 1 by A. You will check. A into A square, A into 1 by A. A into 1 by A cancel, 1 will come, right on. So B square plus 1, B common, what you get? Right? Same like that, C square plus 1 also. C square plus 1 also same like that. So B common from second row, B went out here. B went out, B plus 1 by B. B went out to C. From third row, C went out here. C went out here. C went out, C plus 1 by C. Right? What I am doing, multiply C1, C2 and C3 with A, B and C. Not specially with this ABC. Multiply first column with A, multiply second column with B, multiply third column with C. Sorry, if you multiply this column with A square plus 1 will come. Here also A square plus 1 is there. Yeah, it is there. You just wait. You just wait. Okay? Multiply first column, second column, third column with A, B and C. First column with A into A square, A into 1 by A1. First column with A into A square, A into A square, A square plus 1. A square plus 1, different. Multiply second column with B square plus 1, B square. Multiply third column with C square plus 1. Okay? Okay now. Wait. Next step part 2. What is our RHS? 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. All terms are like that only. 1 plus is there. A square is there. B square is there. C square is there. Everything that. If you add columns, then only we get 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. If you add rows, you don't get like that. Adding rows like this. You are adding this. You are adding this. You don't get B square and C square. If you add like this, 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square will come. So here what I am doing, I am changing C1 like C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 I am changing C1. What is C1? A square plus 1. B square. First column, A square. This is first column right now. This is the first column right now. This is the first column. Second column. What is second column? B square plus 1. B square. Third column. What is third column? C square plus 1. Add all these things. A square plus 1 plus B square plus C square. If you add all those things, 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Add all these things. 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Add all these things. 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Okay now. Right. So in the first column, 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square we got. Second column as it is B square plus 1. Third column as it is. Right? Third column as it is. Common, 3 ones will come. Then do the remaining operation. What is common? 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square common. So 1 B square plus 1 B square C square plus 1. What operation we have to do? 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. For these many questions I did rough. You try these two. Write R2, Write R1, subtract both. R2, R3 we are changing. R1 will be as it is. R2 minus R1 if you do, then you will get like this. R3 minus R1 if you do, you will get like this. You will get like this. Right? You try in rough, you will get definitely. You try in rough, definitely you will get like this only. So for all questions I did the operation in rough. For this question you try. What is the next step? In the shape of L we have 3 zeros. Then what to do? Multiply the principal diagonal elements. Multiply the principal diagonal elements. Writing this is compulsory. If you write that one, then we can understand that you know this trick. Okay? Equals to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, which is an RHS. Right? Thank you very much. See you in the next class.